Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little it's like craft upcycle type of thing. So I got this from the charity shop. It's like it's a vase. It was 49p from Oxfam. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting this rope stuff, which the rope stuff was like £2 from the works. So I'm going to be wrapping it around the vase using the glue gun, and I'll be keep going round until I get to maybe about here. And then I got some garden string, the green one. You get like 4 in a pack. You get 2 green ones and you get 2 normal ones. And when I've done this bit up to here, I'm going to be going over with the green here. And then I've got a packet of these, £1.50. Again, the works. I'm going to be getting some scissors and snipping these little ends off. And then I was thinking of maybe sticking 1 or 2 on it. And maybe I might put one of these on as well. So yeah, but gonna see how it gets on. So I'll start getting on with this, and I shall be back soon. So bye for now. Hey guys, so what I've done is I've gone over with the glue gun. It's looking fine as it is now. So I'm going to be going over with some of the green garden thin rope. So I'm going to show you how I usually do it. So I'm going to just turn the camera around for a second. So one sec. Right, so the rope, obviously it's quite thin. So if you just go, like say a few times together, like so. So it's quite much of a clump. But when you glue it on, make sure you twist it so it looks like a thicker piece of rope. So yeah, so it's going to be going around, and then hopefully I get it all the way to the top. So so once I've done that bit, I'll show you what it looks like then, and then I can start gluing on my little bits and that. So bye for now. Hey guys, I've done the other bit. So yeah, so I went round with the glue gun on it, and I basically tightened, like the little rope stuff to make it look like it was a bit more thicker. So it's gone around the edges. I've done it all the way to the rim of the top bit. So yeah, I'm thinking of maybe putting this, maybe say there, and then I don't know if to put these flower things on, or just to have it like this? Because I know that looks nice, but I don't know. I think I might just stick with this one and not bother putting them on. So, yeah, so I'll be back soon when I've finished it. I'm gonna be putting some fake flowers inside as well. So I'll see you soon. Hey guys, I've decided I'm going to put a bow on it instead of doing them. So, if you've seen on my other videos, then you probably already know how to do it. But yeah, so I'll just re-explain anyway. So you get your rope like so. Like this, 3 fingers. So just wrap round, say 1, 2, 3 and 4. But what you need to be doing is you leave a bit there from like the start at the side, and then when you end, leave a bit going that way as well. And then you snip it off. Then you take it, well, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly snip a bit more off. And then you need to take it off your fingers. So then it goes like so. And then you want to be putting your, you want to be putting your fingers down in the middle. If it goes right. So, yeah, like so. Oh, it's gone wrong a little bit. Right, I'll be back in a second. Yeah, I'm back. It messed up then, so I had to redo it again because it come undone. But yeah, it's looking pretty okay. It will have to do, to be quite honest. So I'm thinking of putting it maybe there. Yeah, that might look nice. Yeah, so I'll show you when I've finished them. So bye for now. Hi guys, I'm back. So I finished it. Looks very nice, I think. Yeah, so you can pick up the flowers for £1 from Poundland as well. Yeah, so can you leave a comment below and tell me what you think? Can you share to your friends if you know anyone who's like interested in this type of stuff? And can you subscribe to my channel, please? And turn notifications on if you would like to see more DIY craft stuff. So bye for now, and I shall see you next time.